Hello, my name is Gustavo Garcia. Travel itinerary Esper Oms Travels Canyon del Conveima. Day 1 include in your luggage water. I have to bring a kangaroo to store my personal lodgings. I must not throw garbage in nature. You must not feed the animals. The first day way with reserves use a spectacular hotel. You will have a snack. Day 2. On this second day, we will have a bit of another option is horseback riding. You can stay in a beautiful cabin. You can take a transport that takes you to the city. There you will hit hotels of different prices. Day 3. On 3 this day you can bathe in the thermal pool and it is afternoon of spectacular 60 of all skins of beans. Delicious food. Enjoy drinks in this place. Masato is made from ground rice. This chicha made corn flour. Succulent spins is the typical dish of this region. It is characteristic having a lot of pork and spices. Tex tamales is a delicious dish made in Habit. Cause Taki all bunches of these offers for 2052 of dry trams you for books. Attention, thank you, goodbye.